Hey everybody, how's it going? It's been a really long time, like two days ago since we've been streaming this kind of shit that we're working on, especially like CLI for making things like together with subtitles. And this shit is working finally. I managed to make it working without Coral and without some kind of shit. I don't know what it wasn't working because I I've been using some like goddamn link that wasn't like a right one, and now we have right link, and we can work with this one properly, and it's kind of cool. I can use some native stuff from Node.js, and then we're gonna happy with this. And yeah, we have a lot of shitty code, like a spaghetti code, because it does a lot of things, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I have some config right here. It's a really simple one, like it's a really temporary one, but we have a lot of things that maybe gonna help us to do shit, I guess. Like, we need to create a lot of helpers and stuff. Because, like, this code is not readable at all. I don't want to read it. Honestly, I don't want to read it at all. Let's start with something more simple than that. Let's create some helpers. I guess some kind of request, I guess. Helpers. Yeah, we can, like, create helpers, like a request. Helpers, I don't know. I don't have a lot of ideas about the shit. By the way, I'm done some shit once again. Yeah, I'm a bit of tired, but maybe I'm not looking like that. But anyway, I'm a bit of tired. I'm trying to be more energetic today. But honestly, it sucks when you're trying to be not yourself. So I'm trying to be myself, and I'm trying to do some shit. And we're gonna create request helpers. They're gonna help us to do this kind of shit that we can work with. Yeah, we can do this, and we can make this shit possible. Honestly, I'm not sure if it's kind of important here. I think we can leave it as it is, and we can move this thing to something else, but I'm not really sure once again. Let's do some shit like, I don't know, let's create a config. Yeah, God, we have config here. Honestly, yeah, we have our lovely config, and we can put some shit here. Of course we can. Of course we can put shit right here. Like in our example config. First of all, let's put something inside of this example config, and everything gonna be fine. And here you go, we can like put like a subtitles, URL, subtitles, API. And here we can, it's not like an API for us, like open subtitles URL, I guess. It's will be more, it will be better, I think. Languages we support, like those ones. Oh god damn it. I love it, you know, I always love it. And why it's not working? Because I've done some shit. Okay then. It's working, then we have a movie ID. Does it really matter? I don't know. I don't think so. God, I don't think we should move something here. Because it doesn't really matter right now. Because we don't have like anything to work with. And this config can be right here. And there's nothing I can do. We can export this one, and that's it. Like a request, we can call it like a request stuff and shit. Yeah, let's call it like, I don't know, handlers, I guess. There's not handlers, like, I don't know, effects. Let's call them effects. Because I don't know how to call them. For now, they're gonna be effects because we don't have a lot of them. And those ones gonna be helpers. Like, this shit is working because it's working. And this is kind of cool that it's working. And yeah, I guess we can move shit somewhere here. But also it can be here. It's not a big deal. Hello? Yeah. As I perfectly said, we're not gonna use curl. We're going to use like a simple stream that's gonna help us to download stuff. Because the issue before was that there was like a wrong link, and it was like the reason why it wasn't working properly. Yeah, I'm streaming, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of cool, and it doesn't have like a really long delay, and it's kind of cool at the same time. Yeah, let's make something that matter, and yeah, we move something here. I don't know how to call those shit. Like there's like a fetch stuff, and that's it. Movie subtitles, movie page. We can do this shit. Honestly, I think we can. Download where I'm using this shit. I'm not using this shit anywhere. I think. Yeah, probably it will be better to create something like I don't know. We can move it here and we can do this shit. Does it make sense? Doesn't? Yeah, this thing will make sense. Like yeah, I can do this. I can move it here. Get subtitles. It's working, and it's working in a way we expect to work. And what we have here, and we have this shit. Here we go. And yeah, let's move to a new file. Yeah, it's working better right now. It looks better, you know. Yeah, here you go. Effects is just something that we don't really need. We can call this thing like download, download. How can I call it? Let's call it like download subtitles. I don't know. And we have something in common, I guess. We can have common folder, and we can have headers here. Yeah, it's shitty thing that I've done so far, but this is better than it was before. At least I can read something here, and I kind of understand what's going on here. And yeah, here we go. This is what we have. Everything I'm getting is from configs, so we have side effects. But anyway, since we're not changing anything, I think they are pure stuff, honestly. And yeah, let's do something. Let's move stuff like let's move downloading something to this like a helper. How can I call this shit? I guess yeah, I can do this thing. And download subtitles. Yeah, I can move it here. We can create a thing like download subtitle, like vice versa. I wanna export and then have a download file, I guess. Yeah, I think download file is better. Like a path. Okay, we got a path here. And we're going to do this kind of shit. I don't know what this shit is doing, but let's try it out right here. The file on. Do we have something on this one? I don't know why it's on it's any. Of course it's any because I didn't import anything. If this is not TypeScript, I cannot do anything with this one. And I need to import HTTPS package module. It's not a package. And here we go. We have something to do. We have something to work with. Like it's finished, I guess. And now we can like create a promise to make like a synchronous one, and we can return promise, like resolve, and also reject. I think. So maybe we're gonna have an hour or something like that. And here go, here what we have, and it seems to be it's cool. We have resole and we have reject file on, I think, error or something. Yeah, it's kind of like that, like a reject. And this is how it will work. I think it will work properly. I really feel like that. And here you're gonna have like a path, or it's not gonna be a path, like URL, file URL, and here you're gonna put the path, and it's working. It's working really, really well. At least I believe it will work. This shit, I mean. Yeah, let's check out whether it's working or not. Let's try to use our code, get movies. And this is what we have here. We have it right here. We can get rid of this shit. And we can download subtitles. Download file. We don't have this. And I can put a path, like a zip thing. And I can do this shit. It's gonna be like a dyadic. Yeah, as I recall, like a dyadic. I really forget the function, I guess. I've been reading this clean code book and I forget the name of the function. Monadic and dyadic. Yeah, it's like dyadic, I guess. Let me. Dyadic, yeah, here it is. Dyadic. Dyadic function, and it can be asynchronous, I feel. Like, we can get step by step. And it's kind of cool. Let's run this thing. Here we go. We've got shit. Of course, we got shit. And where it's not working. And yeah, by the way, I'm waiting your new thing. Like I changed the theme for my terminal, and it seems it looks better. And imported from this shit. Get more subtitles and download file. Okay, what's wrong with this? Cannot find download subtitles. Cannot find download subtitles. Get movie. Okay, let's make another version. Maybe it's all about this version. I feel like that. Honestly, it's not about version. But it won't work either. Yeah, something weird is going on here. Cannot find module, like a download subtitles. Yeah, of course. But honestly, it should work. But it doesn't work. Okay. Okay. It's not a big deal, honestly. Cannot find this shit. Why I cannot find this shit? Is it that hard to find this shit? Can I find it somewhere else? I have it right here. That's it. And it's working either way. But honestly, it don't want to work. Cannot find this module. But how it's not working? Maybe it's different name. No, it's right name. Still the right one. It's weird. Cannot find this one. This one. Okay, let's make it once again. I wanna find. I wanna get this one. I wanna import create on a link, and I want to create. What do I want to create? I want to download file. Okay, it's not working in either way once again. But why it's not working, I'm not really sure. It will not work in this way anyway. Yeah, let's reload the terminal. Maybe something with terminal. Like I open store stuff and maker, and let's go to /t subtitle and no, let's do this node. No, oh god, damn it. Node get movies. Oh, like that. Okay, let's use like a lovely version. Yeah, of course. Let's use once again. And yeah, we have the same thing. Let's scale this one. Maybe it will be easy to see the shit that I'm doing. I don't know why it's not working in the way it's supposed to work. Honestly, we will make this working. Something that weird. Maker src subtitles parser. Yeah, imported from. Maybe we have circle dependency or something. Yeah, I feel like that. Yeah, this shit is probably this is why it's not working. We have got circle dependency. Okay, we need to export the config somewhere else. And yeah, like circle dependency is like a shit. Yeah, it will work. I was really sure that it will work. But it's not working anymore. Oh god damn it. Like this shit is not using anything. But it's not working anyway. So maybe we should have put JS here. What do you want from me? God. Why you're not working? What did I've done that it's not working? Okay. It's weird. Okay, let's do this shit. Okay, let's do this shit. I'm really curious. Anyway, it's really, really weird that it's not working. What am I doing? I don't know. Cannot find module. Like, we cannot find this module that I imported from this module. Like, get movies. Why it's not working? Honestly. Yeah, let's try to comment something. Like, almost everything out. And we'll see. Yeah, let's comment this shit. Maybe we can comment this shit as well. Yeah, we don't have an error. Yeah, let's take a look at the deer name. I want to take a look at deer name, god. It's not defined. Yeah, it's not defined, of course, it's not. Or now it's supposed to be defined. Really? Of course. File name, I feel. Brothers. P. Platform. Exit path. I don't know what's not working. Honestly. So let's Google this thing. Maybe this is something I don't really know about. It's not about modules, I feel. It's something about. I don't know what it's all about, honestly. Yeah, by the way, let's try to use like a require and we'll see. Maybe require will work. Download subtitles. I guess it's not working either. Not working neither. By the way, why we don't have require? Probably because I'm using something else. I have no don't know what packages I'm using. Like okay, module. Okay, get rid of this one. I can use this version. And everything gonna be cool. No, it's not working. Anyway, yeah, let me think. You have this thing. It seems to be I've got this thing why it's not working. Let me check it out. Like if you're gonna have this like an index.js and I'm gonna put something like subtitles parser. We can do not src subtitles parser index.js and it will work. Honestly, I think it will work. Subtitles parser. Cannot find module. K3C, subtitles, parser. It cannot find a module. But why it cannot find module if it's there? I feel a problem. Maybe it's something like that. But it's not working anyway. At least it's weird. I never encountered with this kind of shit. It's not working. Yeah, I have typo here. But it doesn't make difference whether I have typo or I don't have typo. Okay, how can I import config? Maybe I should be obvious. Yeah, maybe it's working this way. Really? I don't understand this. Why it's working here, but it's not working here? It should, like, you know. But when you put in GS file, it's working. Goddamn shit. It's probably something with no new version of Node.js. Or I don't know. It's supposed to work. Probably it behaves in a way in this way because I'm using like this type module and I haven't been working with this that much. So it's supposed to work like everything that we have. Or like almost everything will config is. Okay, if I need to put it like everywhere I can put it. It's not a big deal, honestly. It's a matter of time. But I'm not enjoying it. Put stuff in here like GS. But honestly, for me, it's really weird. I don't know why. I will read about it. Yeah, I will make a note because it's really weird thing. Like a mandatory extension for files. Mandatory extension for files. Fix this shit. Okay, yeah, let's go on because we spent a lot of time just to fix this shit. And here you go. We have something. Finally. We have this shit. And we have that shit. Let's wait for a few seconds. And something we're gonna have here is this shit. Yeah, it's not a big deal that everything got me downloaded here. But honestly, it's a big deal, you know. Let's make something else. Let's make it like an import path. And try to result path. Like subtitles. It's like a very cool, just like a replacement of that, like underline, and their name. Not really. Is it not? Okay. So, okay, not a big deal. I can run this script properly. Maybe it's something I don't really know about. Okay, it's not a big deal, honestly. Something maybe changed. Maybe changed and I didn't know about it. So right now I know about it. It's not a big deal. And let's run okay index.js. And we will have something. Yep. And I feel like path was always our path. Yeah? Yeah. Join this one and I'm gonna create a folder here. Subtitles. Okay, output. Wait, no, it's that thing. We're gonna put output here. Output. And here we can like fetch subtitles. Throw out folder, which is not working somehow. This is not working. Of course, not working. We need to path, the path. Yeah, but this shit. This shit. It's like output path. I think it is better one. Well, of course it's temporary one, but anyway, we try to make things working in the way they're supposed to work. And here you go. We can do something with this shit. Of course we can. We can download subtitles. Yeah, let's delete those ones. And we're gonna be happy with this. Let's download shit. By the way, I'm gonna show you that this is kind of the subtitles are valid ones. Like here you go. And it's kind of really cool. Then you can download subtitles and do some stuff with them. And yeah, this is how it's working. I can download every single thing just to show you. And the movie titles, like it's not like movie titles, it's movie app subtitles, subtitles links, and I'm gonna go for each. I don't know for each is it kind of a good one. I don't know whether it's good one or not. Let's just promise all this kind of what we need. promise O, and we will create like promises, and we will download file. Here we have like a file URL. Yeah, URL. Let's go like file URL, and here gonna have path to output folder, and it's kind of a full. Oh, let me think. So this is like a file URL, and also we need to have like our own path, like our own name for like a file should have its own name. Let's say like that. I'm gonna have index here, and we're gonna do this shit. And it's supposed to like download every single subtitle from Disenchantment cartoon. Of course, it created shit. That's really readable. Like file name is gonna be this one. You're gonna have file name, and then we're gonna have zip. Here you go. We're gonna have a lot of subtitles here. Now let's delete everything. Can you take a look how fast it is? Like we're getting everything with one click. It's really fast. This is how we can download every single subtitle. But right now we need to move shit to yeah. We should move selectors to like folders. Files, I guess. Like a get episode, get movie episode titles. Yes, and here. Movie episode titles. And this is how it will work. So movie pages, movie page HTML. I think it will be easier to read this shit. Seems to be said. So and movie page. Yeah, let's make it step by step. Yeah, there we go. It's not working because I need to import stuff. Here's not working once again because I need to import stuff. And movie page Cheerio. What do you mean? So movie subtitles path. Okay. Let me take a look at. Yeah, I feel I can create a new selector. Get movies subtitles path. Yep, it's gonna be like the same shit, and like we're gonna get this shit, and we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna call this shit like get movie subtitles path. Get movie subtitle path, and like movie page HTML, and then we're gonna return this shit. Or we can even like return something from Cheerio, or I think it will be like more profound. But let's make it for now like this, or not. Because I can movie page wrote, I guess. I think it's even better. They're gonna pass road or something. Okay, let's try this one. We're gonna load something from this one, and we can paste it right here. And we're going to have movie subtitles links, I guess. Get movie subtitles path. As I recall, we're gonna have path here. Path. Yep, it's the right one. I guess this one we want to have the same thing, movie page wrote, and this will work in this kind of way. Yeah, we'll add dependency list. Let's pain in the ass, and it's kind of it. It's supposed to work like it was working before. Movie page Cheerio is not working. Should it work? As I recall, I moded this one to some other place. Does it mean that I moved everything without like breaking anything? Or I broke everything? I don't know, honestly. Yeah, internet connection is good. Cool, but not working. It's stuck. Okay, we cannot download anything. Yeah, I want to look at the path you're getting. How they're looking. I don't know why is it so slow right now. It was really fast. Maybe I've got some damn problem with my internet connection. Yeah, maybe. This can be the case. Guess maybe I need to go to subtitles. Like take a look at whether I'm logged in or not. take a look at this session thing, and maybe I can change it. Yeah, it seems to be it's okay. It's completely okay. I don't know, maybe it's something else. Maybe it's not. Now let's try to download something. Yeah, right now it's fast. Yeah, probably something went wrong before. Yeah, let's check it out once again. Okay, I want to make sure. We're getting really like a lot of subtitles for a really short amount of time. And right now we have better code and it's really easy to maintain, I guess. Not like it easy, I think it's easier to maintain this shit. And this is kind of it. This is what we have. And probably it's kind of it. Let's do something else. Let's do something important, I guess. Maybe, yeah, let's take a look at what we are getting when we type in maker. And God, we have the same for maker. Really? I don't want to have it. I don't want to have extensions. You know, the thing is that it was working before. Let's delete like all of the node modules and install them once again. Maybe it's gonna help. It's not helping. I don't wanna fix everything. Maybe it's happening because I removed this shit. Yeah, I feel like that. Okay, okay, I got it. It makes sense. Yeah, I got why it wasn't working. We need to add this shit. Okay, it's better than it was before. At least let's try to go to our lovely CLI tool and try to take a look at something like this. Let's go like a download subtitles. Well, let's download subtitles, and this is what we have. Like, we have this shit for timestamp, we have this shit for something else, and here we have something. Let's take a look at the mode. Download subtitles. Okay, let's go on. If we have this mode, and it's not a phrase, it's download subtitles. And what kind of things we have here? What questions do we have? I want to take a look at. We have empty array. It's even cooler, you know. Where are we getting this? Okay, got it. Okay, it makes sense, you know. I kind of like it show this kind of list where you can select. Yeah, first of all, I think user should be able to type the name of the movie or something like this. Like, let's call download subtitles. Or no, it's not like this. It's gonna be like enters movie name. Something like this, I think. It's gonna be an input, like enter file name, enter a movie name. And then after this we're gonna push the question. Okay, questions push this question. And we're gonna prompt everything. And we're gonna console answers. Kind of simple one, you know. And here you go. Enter movie is not defined. Of course not defined. Guess we need to have questions and then we're gonna have this shit. Oh god, it's really easy to select something accidentally. Another movie name. Okay, we have config right here. So this is why I was using config. I don't want to use config anymore. Or I can, but I don't want. Like, I wanna put the username, not like a username, file name. And also we need to call it somehow like movie name. Yeah, something like this. And let's try to get something with this one. What kind of convention I have? Run phrase. Run download subtitles, I guess. Export. Yeah, this is how it will work. So I think we're not going to use like anything right now. Yeah, probably it will be better right now. Yeah, it's really good time to sleep, but I'm really curious to make this thing done. At least I want to try. Like, I want to export, like, run download subtitles. And what kind of things I'm getting from here? I'm getting like answers, I guess. Yeah, and it's kind of it. This is how it will work. We have CLI here, and I will build shit like this. Like, run download subtitles, And I'm gonna put our answers here. Not imported yet. Run, download subtitles. Yeah, it will work in this way. We can get it here, and right now we're able to do this kind of shit. Answers, and we're gonna move name answers. Yeah. It's kind of it. There's nothing I can do. Oh, we have this shit. And I wanna do something, you know. Cat movie subtitles, I guess. We can move name. Language query. Get movie subtitles. Fetch movies, I guess. Yeah, fetch movies is kind of cool. This is how I'm getting movies. But I'm getting like a knot in here. I'm not using this thing. I feel, yeah, I'm not. But what the purpose of this shit? If I feel like there is no purpose at all. Okay, okay. I can comment this thing out. I wanna put it like really on the bottom of the file, but it's not working. And first of all, I wanna fetch movies. I wanna wait for this one until it's gonna happen. And I'm gonna like movies. Wait. I wanna fetch movies. I wanna get like their IDs and also wanna get yeah, first of all, let's get movies. And I don't want to use this query. I want to use query from this. I want to take query on my own. Like disenchantment and stuff. Yeah, it's really shit. Like answers. Yeah, let's put it here. Let's see how it's right now, right here. Yeah, answers. Movie name. And I'm gonna get movies. I'm kind of getting movies, but I'm getting HTML stuff. But I want to get movies, honestly. I want to have an abstraction or something. Like this thing is fetch movies page. It fetches movie page. And we're gonna have another one. Like cat fetch movies, I think. Or we're fetching them, right? So we need to have a selector to extract everything from this HTML thing. And this is how it will work. We can extract everything we have in our HTML page. Maybe I have something here. Get movies, get movie titles, like movie episode titles. I feel like it's the right one. Yeah, probably let's use this one. And yeah, kind of cool. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Because I know what I'm doing, but I'm not sure what I'm doing. Where's my page? Okay, okay. Page. Movies, right? We're gonna fetch everything. We're gonna use this thing to fetch things, right? And we're gonna have movies here. Movies HTML. We're gonna have query here. Yeah, it's supposed to work, right? And here we need to load our shit, like import Cheerio from Cheerio and load it movies first, like loaded movies, I guess. Cheerio root. It will be better name. And right now I can load this shit, right? And yeah, right. And get it. It's cool. And I can try to do it like this. Fetch movies. Gonna put query here. And right now I can try to get, at least I'm gonna get titles, I feel. Like these. Really disenchantment. Disenchantment. Content for is not found. What does it mean? It's not a function. Okay. Is it something with this shit? Maybe. So like we have answers. Wait. Okay, let me think, because I'm getting this kind of thing. Okay, let me try to understand where it's going. Like, I'm trying to fetch something. Yeah, it's something with movies. Got it? Okay, I got it properly. Of course, it's not working. Right now, it's supposed to work. Of course, it will. Yeah, like, I feel like I need to move some to TypeScript. So get movie, or do something with this shit. It's not really convenient to develop something. And here you go. What have I've done? What I've done, honestly. What kind of shit I've done? Enchantment. Yeah, can I put this like this? I don't know why it's not working. Let me take a look at it. I wanna take a look at the movies HTML. Really? Like the service has API? God, it has API. But I'm started doing shit. Not production ready. Honestly, my API is not production ready as well. Okay, I've started do this shit. I'm gonna proceed doing this shit as well. And I wanna understand like a lock. Okay. Yeah, let me check it once again. I really wanna make sure I'm doing it right. Like disenchantment. Disenchantment. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of titles. But I cannot find title I need. Okay, let's try to do this on my own. And I will try to figure out. Okay, let me take a look at. I'm supposed to get this one. Like search sub language ID in English. And Russian. Like vice versa, I guess. Movement name is disenchantment. Okay, if I'm gonna do this like a vice versa. Russian and English. What's gonna happen? Really? Okay, I got it. I can make it like a vice versa. Not a big deal, honestly. I wanna get disenchantment. Do you understand? Do you? Yeah, I cannot get episode because I can't. I just cannot get episode because I won't get it. It's not working this way. Movie subtitling. Yeah, I need to do like I need to create a different selector. Get movie episode. Get movie title. GS. And then I will able to do this. Of course I will. Let's copy and paste. Yeah, get movie title. Let's try to get title somehow. Yeah, let's use our lovely. It's gonna be B non, I feel. Search result, and it's gonna be non. Okay, let's go to. I don't really remember. I think this one. And return get movie titles. Titles, yeah, we're gonna have a lot of them. Get movie titles. Titles, like that. Titles, yep. Get movie titles. I need to change it right here as well. We need to have this enchantment here. Yep, cool. This is what I need. This is exactly what I need. I think I can copy selector. I feel I can do this. Yes, today, at least today I want to show the list of movies. And it will be really cool to have a list of movies. Yeah, we have a lot of them. It's cool. Okay. And right now we can make it like to array. And we have, what do we have? We have something like this. Have children. We can go to children's. Link children. Children 0, I guess. And yeah, let's put data there. And we have data. I feel like it's going to work. And yep. Yeah, we need this one. Get movie titles and IDs. Because I need IDs as well. We can go over here. Okay, let's take a look at the link. I'm gonna take a look at this one. And here we have like this IDs thing. See how I can do this. It is possible. By the way, does it really make sense to do like English Russian? Yeah, it doesn't make difference. ID movie. and attributes, I feel. Attributes, I'm gonna have attributes, and I have href, and I have href. Once again, sorry, I didn't get it. Guess I cannot have like two hrefs. It's like a good one. And okay. I wanna extract movie ID somehow. As I recall, we have like ID movie. And we can slide this one. I don't know what I've done, but it's supposed to work. It usually works in this way, but it will be really achievement today to make this thing working at least in this way. Yeah, we have our lovely ID movie here. But honestly, when I get like the number itself, you could give me a number, please. Index of last. But wait, do we have this thing? It will be really helpful to have it. This enchantment. Where are you? Sweetie? I'm looking for you. I'm looking to break you apart. It's like the same thing. Okay, I can split stuff. Not a big deal. And I'm gonna get like this one. And here you go, we have ID. Yeah, I'm almost done. And we have like a string, right? And we split it out. Okay, it should work. Yeah, it should work in this way. And right now I can go and have our lovely, really lovely movie ID. Here we go. And this is what we finally have. We can have it and everybody's happy. And I can go here. I can console log stuff. By the way, I know what can I move him? Simpsons, I guess. We can have Simpson. We can find a movie. Not a big deal. We have tiles here. Map, like we can have tile. And that's it. I can do this without it. And yep, let's put something like Simpsons. Here you go, we have like stuff for Simpsons. And it's kind of cool that we have those kind of things. We can like return the tiles and we can do something like options. And I can take a look whether we have those kind of options here. The JavaScript is asynchronous. It can be asynchronous and it's kind of really cool to have this. Because sometimes language doesn't have this thing. Like it's really hard to get this like in this easy way. Yeah, so I'm streaming for a long time. It seems to be disenchantment. I guess it's kind of the right one. I always making disench. Yeah, I'm missed the letter. Okay, I'll try to learn to write properly. Disenchantment. Yeah? No? Okay, disenchantment. It seems to be the right one. Yeah, I'm getting the titles. And I can make them as an options, I feel. I feel like this. I can have a list of things. Select like your lovely movie. I don't know. Your your movie. Well, and yeah, we can push things once again. We can make like questions. Like select your movie, and here you're gonna have choices, and choices gonna be options. And we can prompt it once again. Movie ID, I feel. I'm not going to get movie ID, I feel. Disenchantment. Yeah, we have something wrong here. And here we go, we have this enchantment movie. And we can select everything we need. I feel like that. I want to get exactly the movie I want. I cannot see this one, honestly. Okay, let's take a look at once again, because it seems to be something weird happened once again. So I'm typing this enchantment, and I'm going to get this enchantment stuff. But I'm not feeling like I'm getting everything I need. So I don't know why, but we don't have it. Because it's been on. It's been on as well. But we don't have it. It's weird, you know. I'm getting every single one of them. Okay, let's go and take a look at this one. Maybe I can do this. And it will help. I feel it will help. And I feel I need to wrap up everything because it's gonna take some time to make this thing working once again. And here you go. Let's take a look at what we have. I want this one. Like, yeah, let's try 663 9 8 1 7 1. Okay, 7 1. God damn it. Edit HTML, and I wanna find this shit. I feel like Yeah, I broke a term. I kind of broke everything. Okay. I don't know why we're not getting them. I want to take a look how many of them we're getting. Result, and I want to take a look how many of them. Yes, I feel like we're getting not enough of them. And it can be the reason why we don't have enough things. 3D. One thing. Hmm. So it's gonna be Russian and English. Now we're gonna have okay. We can turn it like this. Russian. It seems to be okay. This enchantment. Here we go. Yeah, it's working. Cool. Something about I think things I don't really know. Okay, let's find out about this one and let's try to make this one properly. Give back. And I want to take a look at the inquire. Like I want to wrap right after this thing. I want to wrap every single thing because it's kind of time to sleep and I'm a bit tired. So not like a tired, but it's kind of really good time to sleep, or maybe we get some reading. And type, we have type. It's supposed to be a string. Okay. I want to hate choices or object containing name to display an value. Yeah, this is exactly what I need. This is exactly what I need. Oh god, I need to go to CLI and I need to have the name, the options. like we have option, and we have like name, and name is gonna be title, and the title, and value is gonna be movie ID. And it's kind of it. There's nothing extraordinary, I guess. And if it's working, I'm gonna end up the stream like right away. Cause it will work. I'm really sure. Yeah, I was sure. It's like a choices. Okay, cool. I have name. Maybe I've done something stupid here. Yeah, let's replace titles. Like this kind of thing is unlike them. And I think this is it. At least I hope. This is everything that we made today, and everybody gonna be happy with it. It's like it's a bit tedious. Then do this shit at night. Okay. Hmm. We. What we got? Oh, got it. But never mind. It's working. And finally, it's gonna work, but not working in the way it's supposed to work. Honestly, it seems it's working like a vice versa. I don't want to have this thing. I want to have this enchantment. Oh god, my love with this enchantment. This is it. Yeah, we finally made it. We can fetch something by its name. Let's try something else, like Simpsons. Simpsons. Maybe I wrote down like a really well. Simpsons. Simpsons. Yeah, not like a Simpsons. And here we're supposed to have something, and we can get the ID. Yeah, guys, it's kind of it. Today I was like completely alone here, I feel, but I don't feel alone right here because I was doing shit, and it's kind of really important one. And the only thing I wish you is just have a great day, take care of yourself, and don't forget about rest. Because if you don't rest, you don't relax, you feel yourself like a tired, like around the clock. Yeah, because you have a lot of things to do. You have dreams, you have goals, and like for those kind of things, you need to rest, like at least for them. And yeah, see you in the next one. I hope it's going to be on Friday or something like that. And yeah, it's kind of it. Like what we've done today. Just right now we can get an idea of a movie by its name, and we can fetch titles, and we can select the movie. Then in the next room we will able to download. Yeah, I think we can pull it off. We can download stuff, and it's gonna be a really great thing. Then we can create a player from subtitles, but it's another story. It's more complicated. And yeah, just have a really great day and have really like great everything. Like have a great day. See ya.